Children, we have completed many chapters. So now what we will do, we will do again the revision of the chapters that we have done, right? So it will be easy, like, because there must be few students who must be not able to see the videos which were being loaded, right? Or some must be like they will, though should not have been understood what the topic was. So I am again going to explain you. It is a quick revision for everyone, and now the chapter wise we will be doing the exercise also, right? So it will be easy for you to remember what chapters we have done and what was there in the chapter. Children, our first chapter is chapter 1, Mummy and her family, right? You must be knowing Mummy and her family. What is your mother's family, right? So in this chapter we are going to study that ki mother take care of two families, right? One family, that is your father's family, and another family, that is her family, her mother, father, right? So children, we have to start from here. It has been rightly said, the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. The age mean that a mother who rocks the cradle to put her child to sleep is the one who molds the character of a child effectively, right? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये है कि एक माँ ही वो एक ऐसा इंसान है जो अपने बच्चे का कैरेक्टर को बहुत अच्छे से किसी भी उसमें ढाल सकते हैं, राइट? एंड चिल्ड्रन, it is always said, parents are your first teacher. Before coming to school, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं, राइट? तो हम पेरेंट्स को हम बोलते हैं कि पेरेंट्स और योर मदर्स, दे आर योर फर्स्ट टीचर, राइट? दिस चाइल्ड ग्रोज अप. आप देखते हो घर पे योर मदर्स आर हेल्पिंग यू इन द होमवर्क ऑल्सो, राइट? when you are not getting anything. Secondly, when you do something wrong, आपसे कुछ गलती हो जाती है तो आपकी ममा आपको समझाती भी हैं, right? And she tells you कि never say a lie, be a good person. And फिर आगे जाके क्या होता है, वो बच्चे जिनकी मदर्स उनको इतना इन्फ्लुएंस करती हैं, इतना अच्छे से रखते हैं, पढ़ाते हैं, हेल्प आउट करते हैं, एक दिन बड़े होके ये बच्चे बहुत अच्छे पोजीशंस पे जाके जॉब करते हैं, राइट? अब जैसे यहाँ पे जो कुछ पिक्चर्स है थी, इसमें आपको सारे नाम दिए हुए हैं. फर्स्ट, अगर इफ़ यू सी, आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर. फर्स्ट इज़ योर शिवाजी महाराज, सेकंड इज़ योर महात्मा गांधी, थर्ड इज़ इंदिरा गांधी जी, एंड फोर्थ इज़ राजीव गांधी, राइट? नाउ सम नेम्स, चिल्ड्रन, ऊपर ये नेम्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको बताना है इनकी मदर कौन है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है. तो आप पहले ब्लॉक में, पहली पिक्चर में लिखा हुआ है के नीचे लिखोगे शिवाजी महाराज, उनकी मदर का नाम है जीजाबाई, ठीक? सेकंड इज़ महात्मा गांधी, बिलो दैट यू विल राइट पुतलीबाई. थर्ड इज़ इंदिरा गांधी, उनकी मदर का नाम है कमला नेहरू. And the last one is Rajiv Gandhi, and Rajiv Gandhi's mother is Indira Gandhi, right children? Now you must have seen that from where does the baby comes. Do you know from where does the baby comes? Yes, from your mother's womb. You call it stomach normally, right? Children, in her womb, mother carries the baby for 9 months. राइट? अब 9 months के लिए रहता है, तो फ्रॉम वेयर दैट चाइल्ड इज़ गेटिंग फूड. सो वॉट एवर फूड द मदर ईट्स, राइट, it automatically goes in through the baby's stomach with the help of a tube, right? And you know, the baby is very safe inside mother's body, and when you can ask if your mothers or your aunt, they can feel the movement and the growth of the baby inside their womb, right? Now children, there are few kinds, like few animals which gives birth to the babies. Those animals are called mammal, which are giving birth to the babies, right? So those are called mammals, and there are some which lay eggs. right? Like frogs, birds, fish are some animals which lay eggs. Some mammals like duck, biled platypus lay eggs in human as well as in moist animals. It is a female that gives birth to babies. It is true. Only females are giving birth to the animals. So a natural relationship develops between a baby and a mother. So because mothers are giving birth to the babies, there is a beautiful and a unique relationship that develops between a baby and a mother. Right. Now children, here one exercise was there. If you are having your books, you can just solve it. Here some mummy animal is there, papa animal is there, baby animal is there, right? In some places you see there are fill in the blanks form is there. So when papa animal is rooster, so mummy animal will be hen, right? And the baby animal is called chick. Second, mummy animal is known as lioness, papa animal is known as lion, so the baby animal will be known as cub. Then peahen, male animal is peacock and baby animal is peachick. Last, mare, horse, and the baby animal is called quilt. Now your mother as a child. Now ask your mother about, like, it is a small, like, sit today and talk to your mother about her childhood. कि mama जब आप बचपन में थे तो आप कैसे थे, what all things she used to do, या फिर what all work she used to do, which games she used to play with her friends, right? And how did she study, and how different things, because now the TV cartoons and previous time cartoons are very, very different. So what kind of things she liked to watch, right? So and then when she grew up, she have done her studies, then she went to college, and after that she married to your father and came back to your father's house, and from then till now she is living. Now as we grow, children, जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं तो हमारे अंदर changes भी आते हैं, right? We, like, when we are very small, we are not able to walk. Secondly, we don't have teeth also in our mouth, our hands, legs, everything is small. So as we are growing, we have a change in the appearance. हम जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे changes आते हैं, हम दिखने अलग अलग लगते हैं, right? Like if you see baby girl, child girl, teenage, adult lady and old woman, right? ये ऐसे difference हो जाता है, right? Now this is on page number 9. Page number 9, children, try yourself when activity is given. In this activity, what is there? Ask your mother about your childhood, pose questions about her relative, friends and games, etc. Your mummy knows all your likes and dislikes. How much do you know about her? Fill in the following details about your mother. Now this you have talked about your mother, what she likes, what she doesn't like, everything, color, her food, relatives, right? Now this exercise you have to fill by yourself and see how much you know your mother, right children? Today I am ending here. Again tomorrow we will be doing the same chapter and we will be doing the book exercise.